Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Haja and in this tutorial we want to try out a simple and everyday eyeliner technique using your lash curler. This eyeliner technique is suitable for beginners who want to keep it simple and quick, and those of you who deal with hooded eyes and find it hard to apply an even winged eyeliner. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we prepare the eyelid with an eye primer by Urban Decay called Primer Potion. Apply a thin layer and blend it with a concealer brush or beauty blender. Then, on top, we apply concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. We blend the concealer onto the lid with a concealer brush and go ahead and set the lid with setting powder by Laura Mercier. Next, we apply the shade Naked 2 from the Mini Basics palette by Urban Decay. I think this one was a limited edition one, but opt for a nude shade that would go well with your own skin shade. Apply a few layers of the shade Naked 2 on top of the mobile lid below the crease fold just to give the lid a little warmth. Next, we go ahead and take our lash curler. We apply a thick, even layer of gel eyeliner from Kiko Milano with the detailing brush on top of the lash curler. The layer has to be even and thick so we can stamp it onto our crease fold later on. The lash curler works like a stamp that helps us to determine our crease fold by pressing it into our eye socket. Because we wanted to smudge the gel eyeliner later on, we did not use liquid eyeliner. After pressing it once, we go ahead and repeat stamping the lash curler into our crease fold until we have an even line that frames our crease fold. In the next step, we apply the liquid eyeliner with its own brush behind the under part of the lash curler. I hope I make sense, but I think you can follow where I'm applying the eyeliner. Apply an even line and then apply the lash curler immediately by pressing your lashes together and stamping the lash curler onto the upper lash line at the same time. Now, with the help of an eyeliner brush and black eyeshadow called Crave from the Urban Decay palette, we even out the line on the crease fold and smudge it a little. Then we extend our upper lash line by applying a straight line and connecting the crease fold line with the upper lash line. Now we have created a graphic liner that looks flawless on all eye shapes, especially on hooded eyes. Then we start to smudge the line in the crease fold by using a tapered blending brush and blend the crease fold further with its tapered bristles. Next, we use a petite blending brush and dip it into the shade Faint from the palette and go on top of the black smudged line to create transition from dark to light. We apply the shade Faint on top of the black line and blend until we have a smoky finish. Later, we apply the shade Crave on half of the lower lash line with an eyeliner brush and smudge gently. Last but not least, we again blend the line in the crease fold with a tapered blending brush without any product on our brush until it looks faded. Finally, we switch to the lashes. Here, we apply a mascara by Shiseido called Controlled Chaos Mascara Ink in black and coat our lashes twice each eye. In the last eye makeup step, we lift and curl the lashes with a lash curler. Like always, I recommend to clean fallouts under the eyes and then apply your concealer for a clean and fresh application. I think a nude lipstick looks harmonious with this makeup, hence I apply the Nude Sticks Lip and Cheek Pencil in Matte in the shade Pixie. That's it for this short and quick eyeliner tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this mini tutorial and have learned something useful and helpful. If you did, please consider hitting the like button and share this video with friends and family. I would kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out on every week's upload. Let me know what you want to watch next in the comment section. See you next week.